What is this? What is this fruits?
This one name Kaka fruits.
Ayan, yan yung kasoy.
This
Hindi.
also,
Hindi
Kaya kaya
kasoy.
sinabi niya fruits.
Hindi kaka to. Hindi kasoy.
Hindi, yung isa yung pag binuksan mo, maano siya parang... Yun yung sabi niya.
Hello guys, bili tayo ng mga prutas oh, ang dami. Fresh. Yan.
Mapi cherry?
cherry not available now. Have a
No, this no.
blueberry.
Come and buy here, big mango. Oh, yummy. Yummy mango.
Ano?
No, 2 kilo.
You need 2 kilo.
Bang yan per kilo, no?
Pomegranate.
Eps, cellphone ko.
Baka naiwan dun sa sasakyan.
Matulog ba?
Ayan oh.
Kita mo lang, malilimutin talaga ako.
Okay guys, thank you for watching Too Much Fruits Vegetable. Come and buy here, Mawala, yeah. YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you.